Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the apps and games of the week. So the first apps and games of the week will be the official. So once you have opened up this app, it will look something like this, and you can just start playing. You don't need to select levels or anything. This game looks like the paper toss, and so the way of playing is the same. So basically, instead of tossing the paper into the basket, this one will require you to hit the paper or anything else that you can find below over here. They can actually toss it onto that guy in the middle. Yeah, so let me show you. You can choose lots of items from below. You can throw a cupcake if you want. For example, just click here. Okay, so this is the cupcake, and you got to aim at his direction that is over here. And so there's the cupcake, and there is actually a fan at the side, just like paper toss. So the speed of the fan is actually 0.48 to the left. So I just toss it over here. Just like throw, yeah, and you hit him. Once he turn over, you can actually throw again. And if you hit your face, it's better. If you actually hit the face, it will be better. So yeah, this game looks something like this. The second game will be actually the shaky tower. So once you actually start out the game, it will look something like this. Yeah, so okay. So once it's loaded, you have different type of mode. You can have adventure and quick game. You also have different function like the profile, shop, how to play, settings, and about. So let me give you a quick game. You can go on a different level. Let me try the easy one. Blind pass. It has different type of level and different type of mode. So anyway, let me show you. Okay, when you turn left or you turn right, you actually can control the gravity. So it's like if you turn left, you can see the cube will actually move to the left. Yeah, see? It will something like this. But the mission for this is actually stack the tower up as high as the yellow line that you can see above. So I'm just going to stack it up. You can actually control the gravity, so you must hold your hand really straight. So I have actually reached the top. You can actually go to the next level. Okay, then next level actually wants you to reach a checkpoint, so you do something like this. So I have go to the first checkpoint. Okay. Now basically you get what I mean. You just got to go to all of the checkpoint. Yeah, so yes, okay. So it looks something like this, and yeah, this is called the shaky tower. This game that I'm going to show you is actually called Take Me Home. So once you have actually opened up the app, it looks something like this. You have different modes. I mean, you only got one mode, but I have different function. Like my coins for the first one, play, rate, and more. So let me start playing. So once you start, you have the so-called Angry Bird-like look that you can scroll through. So let's try. Okay, basically this game needs you to actually click onto the flower over here, if you can see. And once you click it, you actually move. And so your bounce go down, and the end point is over here, the flower over here, you can see. So if I tap from here, you actually go and bounce. It's something like a puzzle game, and it's better animated, I think. Yeah, I don't know, but I think it's a pretty fun game. So let me go to the next level. Okay, so when you reach the next level, you actually can move things like this. This is the gravity box, I think. Yeah, it's something that make you jump. So let's say if I put it over here, so I click on the flower, you'll move the thing, so it will jump up. Yeah, so the end destination is over here. So I'm done. The next game that I'm going to show you is called Dismount. So once you actually start up Dismount, it's actually a game whereby you got to push the guy from high ground and make him fall to the ground. You can damage him as much as possible by breaking his bone or those things. So let me show you how it looks like first. Anyway, once you actually start pressing the play button, means that you can, what I mean is when you press the play button, you can actually choose a character. Let me choose the Android guy over here, the green Android. Then I click this one. Yeah, so I can go to any level I want. So let's say we want to go to my first dismount. Okay, that's different level. Some you got to buy, but some is free. So for example, this is free. So let me go and press it. Okay, that's not free. Okay, this is free. So let me try. So once you have played, you will actually show your high score, worldwide high score, those things. So you gotta push this guy down. You can touch the screen to change the direction. Not change the direction of the force. I can look around. So this is the part whereby it's gonna push, and this is the dismount part. So of course, the higher the force, I think the further we go. So once you're ready, just press the dismount button in the middle. So once you go down, all the parts that is being hit or damaged, you will actually be blinking with different colors. So that's what you see. You can actually take photo or snapshot with this button below, the camera button below. So I think this is pretty fun and entertaining, and it's pretty cute. So you can go and download it. I think that's one of the most fun games I've ever seen. Actually, it's not a game; it's a simulation, I think. Yeah. So the next game that I'm going to show you is called Devil Ninja. So once you open this up, you look something like this and fight. It's actually a game. I think it's pretty fun. So okay, basically you'll be running. You can jump. You can actually attack by pressing this button, left and right. So you can jump, and there's a hole. You can jump. You get something. You can So it's like you can throw a star after you take. On top there is actually a meter that you are running, how far you have been. So this is for throwing stars, jumping, throw. So this game is actually is a game like you got to go as far as possible to break a high score. It's something like that. So you can go and download it. I think it's quite a great game. The next game that I'm going to show you is actually the Circles. This game can be found on those last time Windows 98 type of computer games, and so let me show it to you. The graphic isn't very nice because last time computer, their graphic isn't really that nice. So let me just show you the game. So you can jump by clicking this. Okay, you can move forward and back by just moving your phone like this. So I move forward and jump when you need. So I go back. You gotta pass all the rings and all the fires. So let me play. Jump. Okay, once you touch the thing, the circle or the spire, you actually lose. So if you actually miss those Windows 98 games that you played on your PC last time, I think it's a pretty good app. It actually remind you the last time where technology isn't so good, graphic isn't so good, and you have to play this type of game, and you'll be actually surprised, why are you playing so long? Why are you so interested in the game last time? Well, now not really that. So I think it's a pretty good game for me. So you can go ahead and download it. The next game that I'm going to show you is Grenadier. So when you actually hear the title of the game, you will straight away know it's something to do with grenade. So this game has something to do with the grenade. So let me play it. Level 1. Basically, you got to throw your grenade As you guys can see, this guy, this monitor guy over here, is holding a grenade on his hand, and you got to throw it and bomb these two people inside. So basically, this is how you play it. You click on the guy, and actually your finger actually will be blocking you, so you can move like that. And you can set the amount of power you need and just throw, and you'll bomb those guys inside the hole. You gotta kill both of them, so each level will need you to actually kill both of them using the grenades. Yeah, yes, lots of level to keep you entertained. So yeah. The next game that I'm going to show you is actually called Fruited. It's actually a puzzle game. It looks like jewels that you have played before, may have played before. So anyway, you can save and continue the game like jewels. So that I'll actually show you guys. Basically, you can move both these two things together to actually make it 3 in a row. It means, for example, you have let me see. Let's say if you have these two things. Okay. Anyway, it gives a hint when you are taking too long. So anyway, you can see 2 bananas over here or something. So you need to form it to 3. So you just got to change this thing, this and this to make it a 3, and you actually score the point. So this is something like jewels. If you have played before, you will understand what I'm talking. So yeah. The next game that I'm going to show you is actually called the 3D bowling. Once you start this game, you look something like this. You can have different maps while scrolling through here. So for example, I'll go through this map. Again, choose a ball over here. Let's say I choose the first ball, and I can just play. Basically, it's just like bowling, and you got to just got to swing a ball and hit up. And do something like this. Yeah. So basically, if you have played bowling before, you get what I mean. So this is a 3D bowling app, or maybe game. I think it's so far the best 3D bowling game I ever seen on the Android market, so I think it's pretty fun. Go and download it. The last app and game that I'm going to show you is actually the Burn the Road. So once you have started this game, it looks something like this. So you just gotta play and go to the level that you want. So anyway, let me play first. So you start with level 1, level 1. Okay, yeah. Takes a lot of time. So basically, this game requires you to actually burn all the road. Okay, so this is the level 1. So basically, you got to move your phone around to make the flame move. So anyway, let me show you how it looks like first, and I think you understand after I showed you. So let's get started. So to light up the fire, you just got to tap one of the thing, and you can move around to make sure that the fire burns the whole road. And you can't make the road. Man, I lose. Anyway, let me show you again. Okay, so basically you got to turn your phone around to make sure that you must finish the whole road. So let me show it to you again. I hope that you guys can actually see it because I'm rotating my phone. So that means when you want to bring it up, when the fire is going, you must bring it the opposite direction of the fire to burn the road. If you get what I mean. Yeah, so I'm done. So that's how the gameplay look like. Yeah, so this is the end of the apps and games of the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give me some comments on how I can improve my videos. Goodbye.